after half an hour, it's finally uploaded. That, jeez, oh, damn it, that took a half an hour and I'm just, oh, jeez. And also, got a first subscriber. Whoopee! Got a first subscriber and we're probably gonna do a video about it. It is so sweet. We finally have a first subscriber. Oh gosh. And now yes, flash. Gotta do it in. Wait a second. This is wrong. This is full screen. Dang it. Sorry. It's just jeez, this went wrong. Yeah. But we're gonna do it. Last time we did chapter 2 with Tucker. Now we're going to do chapter 3. And there's my poo. And I don't have my lava surfing board. Jeez. Maku. Voice. Help me! Help me! I'm being attacked! Will you help me? Who the heck are you even that I speak your name? My name is Marco. Gali lies between the sea and Lake Nahu. Down the coast. It's a great village. Many. What the heck? Maturin! It's gonna be Tahunga! Okay, that stuff is wrong. I haven't no save. That's probably why. No, here it is. Walk in the camera. A few months of it has been destroyed by now. What happened? Oh, did I say that? Will you help me? What happened? I was away when the water attacked. And when I returned, the monsters were everywhere. The town and everything was fine. We caught him and I was barricaded and sent to the hut to hide. That's why he went to come. And the hut sank me away. The music sounds wrong. I think it's gotta be... That's the wrong music! Yeah, it was kind of lighter than... No. Yes, than the music it should be. Please, there's no time! My people are in great danger! Will you help me? No, I'm certainly not gonna help you. Yeah. Got to go call and find the camera. He's very fast. He might have a plan for escape. I'll try to find Gali. If we're out here near the village, he's the only one who can defeat them. Hey, old Avatar. What the heck? Oh, the Avatar then! Like Niwa or Tahu. Probably just had blown it away. Tahu just got scared it was a spy and they would just blew it away. Huh. Okay, guess. She's on a great quest, and maybe very far away. Yeah. Then where's that fast reading. From here is my sea, so we must take my boat, and I am a search for the tow on foot. Good luck, and tell Nakama I'm safe. I have to tell Nakama you're safe. I don't have a choice actually. Or just like this one. Okay. I can make it. Even that I know it's one big, 2 medium and 2 small. And I think if I take 4 small, maybe that's gonna work too. Let's see. Come on. Probably not. Yeah. If I take this, it's... What the heck? It's working! Ah! Okay, we're just gonna do... Alright, we're back on. What the... Oh, jeez, I made it wrong. Wait, this is wrong. This is wrong. What the heck is this? You know, we just... Oh, I have 3 small. That explains everything. Whoa, how can this take so long? Ah! Geez. Yep. My boat! They crushed my boat! Even that I know it's not mine. Nixie Actually, it should be a light stone there, but I have a no save, so I already have it. Yeah. And there it should be a bag. Yep. Sorry for my brother, my mother, like, I don't know, they're yelling at each other. Yeah, that's not fun. Who's that? Who's there? No. Who's that? Who's there? Oh, my friend. Oh no. Mother sent me to rescue you. Mother said they were so worried about this. Oh jeez, what are they doing out there? We're trapped here underwater. The door is stuck and we can't open it. The village pumps are repaired. The hut will rise to the surface. We can escape. Right smack on the pieces. The rock is smashed up and pieces fell into the water. We can find the missing piece and put it back to the in the pump machine. I left lights on in my hand. Yeah, you didn't. I got it. So good. It's my help you see on the water. Peter. Hold on, I'll be back. I didn't know how much longer we can survive in here. The rocking may return. Yeah. Do you think how nice it will be? No, not nice. But Nakama is kind of creepy. But it's rock attacked and like Nakama just gone away. It should be pretty sad if like the mature in Tahanga get away. But yeah. My other mature will replace them. I trust me. But it would get kind of bad if there it is. If like the Tahanga dies. I don't care if Nakama dies. She's like creepy in her Turaga mode, but she's pretty wise in her still form, but like she's like no, I'm not so sure. No, I'm just ah! You just do you really? Oh! Go Gali! Go Gali! Go! Go Gali! Go! Punch! 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 Pew! Pew! Okay, this sounds kinda like yeah. Okay. Another motorcycle! He dives into the ocean! And there they're like wrestling. No, he does one! No, she's one. Look there! I had this, suckers! I'm best, suckers! That's what it thinks. Karma! Yeah. Okay, we have like 7 minutes, yes. Left. We can do everything we want! We will take over the world! Okay, thank you for rescuing us. Oh jeez, I just forgotten that this takes much time. You're bold and true to your world. All the matter and the dark around you to create gratitude. That's creepy! For once I left that Marcus had snuck away from the village so that she could find you. Oh yes, she's a spy and who? You know, they always say that their friends, Marco and Spooky, are like best friends, but that's wrong. They're actually love. Right, but food was questioned by the mysteries of modern era. Yeah, is not really in love with Spooky. That's what I wonder. Pretty useless. My friend, giving you some answers is a small pain known for your deeds. But I offer you no rejection. Our astrologer has grief. There's been great changes inside, and has revealed the dark future of memory. So I have come to and begun the mighty quest to save us from the Makuta. And yet here, we live. evil? Are you brave one to danger? Who am I? Good question. I think someone has plans for you that are greater than you that you would forget. Perhaps you want to be like you, like a tower, I don't know now. Yep, I'm talking to I'm actually secure, but I should. I'm going to be Sakanuba, and I'm just going to pwn Makusa. Actually, I like Lee one more than Sakanuba. Sakanuba is second my favorite. Lee was bad, which is awesome. And Listovic, I think, is bad. Or like Tahoe's pretty cool. Matanu is also great, but I think Makut is and Matanu are like both 4 or 5, like, yeah, but we're going to do it. The return at the government civilization. The Toronto and the North Side report of all that has come before. Yeah. But the ocean remembers, like history, the water holds many secrets in from the depths. Dude, this is so much creep. Dude, I asked who I am, and you give me all this shit, like, this is madness. As a river encovers it watches the highland as it sleeps, and remembers, caught toward gently when they descended, and delivers them. Please, you're an absolute in these uncertain times. Your past is forgotten, and the future is empty. Dude, we can like, okay, you gotta see a Bionicle Wiki. Sakura. No. Chuck. One of Mrs. Louis was disguised as a Tarmatoran to hide in front of that. Sakura is that smart? Okay, it says what life can do. Dude. This is wrong. He's not that smart. He runs a small side business trading souvenirs from different streets. He usually wondered if doing his normal job to do so, making the barkeep to learn to keep an eye on him. There was a running joke in town metro and entire squad of Rocky watched over him. But because his memory wasn't greased in the time slip, he had no memory of ever being an ardent AD Matoran who truly believed he was Matoran. Sorry, I pushed the pause button. Yep. God is forgotten, and your future is inevitable. You must find your own destiny, Bright Reader. Dude, we have 1.5 minutes left. Tell me who's Gali? Yeah, Gali's told one of the great heroes gods were elected on Torres is best ever. From the heavens, David's son, because his wife, strong and weak. Gali is the protector of the sea and the only light and the river of sea. His mom found let her breathe freely beneath the waves. Good. This is so fat. Come on, 1 minute. Look off this new help of the village to find Huki, the cold champion. Tells me she's just practicing on her high bow. But I know the truth, and it's far too dangerous for her to be outside the village now. For her own safety, I will forbid her to go, even if I must one if in your travels from Hofuro, you should meet Huki. Tell him she's safe. He may have heard of the attack and will be worried. Thank you, goodbye, guys. We just, this went wrong. Sorry. Well, yeah. Save full screen. Oh, damn it. Sorry. Said wrong. Yeah, you know what happens next. We're not going to talk with 60 and they're traveling for Kura. I didn't translate.